And that was the last time we saw Stuart. This video is going to be all over the place. These will hopefully look a little bit cleaner because I had a bit of a mind blank moment. The hot glue that we use, hot glue works by being melted, and the problem is I live in Australia and we have just transitioned into summer. So these ones just fell out. I realized I probably should have used like an epoxy or like a JB Weld or something like that to try and hold these in. But I figured I managed to get some of these actual mesh plates or mesh pieces. So those will go in, replace there, and this one will actually put in a resin of some sort rather than hot glue. Completely slipped the mind that that's how hot glue works when I did it. That should tidy up the front end a little bit. And then I've got some other little bits and pieces as well around. There is one issue I've already spotted. Because the previous owner of this bumper has cut out the fog lights for what I'm assuming was a front mount, because they've also cut along the front here. The bracket that's meant to sit here goes to the fog light, well, one of the bolts for the fog light to hold the covers on. So what we'll do, we'll get these in, take the bumper off, and when we do our epoxy, a resin, whatever this stuff is, we'll get some on the back, like on the tabs of these, so that they don't fall out. Because I don't imagine me needing to take these off. And it's like the bumper's easy enough to take off anyway, because I do have some quick release things that I'm going to be chucking on there as well. So I may as well just get them on there permanently. Now that the rain's gone, let's try this again. Something I still want to do, I haven't done anything about it. I want to get like some hella horns or something. And hella horns just look that little bit better at the front as well. What's gonna be the song for today? Ooh. And I feel nothing for you! But you know what? That's looking much tidier. This seems so bad to do on freshly painted panels, but we're gonna drill some holes. Nothing but precision engineering here. Alright, just because that there is clean metal, we're just gonna chuck a little bit of black paint onto that so we don't have any rust issues. Okay, I got one last goodies box, although unless the hella horns come in before I actually edit this, we'll have those going on as well. But this should, I'm hoping this is for this car and not the Lancer. Come on. Oh yeah. These are gonna look mint. I'm kind of thinking I want to change my wheels from black to white, so that'll make these stand out so much more. If you are going to buy wheel nuts, make sure you get steel ones. I've heard horrible things about the aluminium ones. There we go. Now we just need good old cable tie. Keep all that in check. I literally ordered these yesterday and they're already in. I don't know what I was expecting. I wasn't expecting them to be like, to feel that weighty. I think I want to do the covers in white because at some point I want to do the rims in white, and we've already got like purple on the outside of the car, and I don't think purple and yellow kind of are a match. And just like that, we can respray that piece. Alright. So what we'll do, we'll plug this into a factory connector. That's a pretty snug fit. These will go the right side. And then our ground will be the left side. And we'll see if that just works as it is. There we go, seems to work. Ha. I'm not too sure what the purpose is of that bit there. Okay. What's the point of this? That there does make things a bit more annoying. I'm hoping my theory works. I think that's about as good as we're gonna get it. To be honest, I don't remember what the original one sounded like. I pretty much never used my horn anyway. I was hoping to get the actual, you know, one there, but unfortunately, with the way that things go with cars, I'm not really a fan of the grille that this car comes with, so I'm hoping one day I can find something cheap enough, because I found like STI ones, but they're like $1,000, and I'm like, f that. Alrighty, on to the next thing.